Good morning. This is from my job at Domino's delivering pizza. I haven't even taken out of the bag yet because I spent the night at Danny's house last night, and I'm sure when I buy my other stuff or whatever, I'm not gonna buy anymore, but because I own the bag. But I'm sure when I buy my stuff, it'll come in a little baggie like this. I recognize the little baggies, well, not Frosty the Snowman, but the size of the baggie. But let's see what we got here. I mean. Let's see. Got a couple of 10s here. Got a bunch of 1s here. And hang on a sec. Okay, I'm gonna have to give you a status report because I got way too much cash here. I got freaking these are 20s and 5s right here. Something. I don't know. I don't know. I folded it up. I can't unfold it with one hand. And this is all just a wad of 1s right here from the teachers and stuff. Now, if I can make this much at a Westheimer store, I can't imagine how much more I'll be making at a Alabama store. And from one Muhammad to another, my Muhammad actually told me, he said, "Hey," he said, "tell them I said hi." I said, are you friends or cousins? He goes, no. He goes, I just know him real well. So, anyway, I just fed my cat, and I got to reassemble a vacuum cleaner and stuff. All right, let me count this, and I'll let you know. I'll update everyone. Bye.